Bihar quickly take a penalty, move the ball right across. The kick from the center is taken. So there again, kicks taken, collected by Orissa. And there, pressure again coming back on Orissa. Once again a penalty, a quick move by Bihar, cutting through the center. And a good support coming down from the center once again for Bihar. But a little high. But the ball being thrown in by Orissa. So here the ball being thrown in. And there seems to be, and here what's happened, Bihar gets the penalty for Orissa diving into the scrum, into the ruck. And it seemed once again Bihar has got the ball, a good move there, right from the center, and a tackle by Orissa right down in possession. There again a ruck and a penalty of Bihar, where Bihar is going to take a quick penalty move or possibly bounce through. But here, yes, they managed to post the ball, pass it across, and now you can see the quick hands and an open chance between the ball, between the players is very quick and very fast, and you can show that Bihar is at least more superior in this level at the moment. Yes, now the ball is with Orissa, who's trying to make a break and get the gap through, but true enough, the knock on by Bihar, so advantage taken by Orissa. So referee has space, not releasing the player. So this time Orissa make an effort to go through, and the penalty Bihar for not releasing the ball once they had the ball in their hands. Back again to Orissa, and the move right from the center, be tackled by Bihar very well. A penalty, was it? What we're looking at? Timeout. No, I think a scrum has been awarded, so it must be a knock on now, because and it is Bihar's put in. Bihar get the ball, moving across on the blind side. Good coverage of the ground, and there's a ruck taking place. Bihar getting the advantage, swinging the ball out, but still very much in their possession. Changing direction again, back again to the right side, and there you have support coming down, Brindman pass, and an open wing, getting a lovely opening to come through without any, and Orissa yet to open the count. So half time, the water break for 2 minutes, if they can put a few points across. And very few errors.
Yes, very rightly pointed out. The under 18 Junior Nationals Rugby Sevens Championship 2024. The under 18 girls. And Bihar are looking, dominating and threatening. Just look at that wonderful side step that the Bihar players keep on doing. So there's a scrummage. And the ball with Orissa. Orissa managed to keep possession of the ball. They're trying to look for a gap there, but Bihar and their tackles are strong enough. Yes, and that's a penalty over there given by the referee in favor of Orissa.
This time, at least Orissa has taken a little bit of lead now, and they've literally going right into the defense of the Bihar side. So this seems to be opening up a bit. to throw in. So there Bihar wins the ball, passes it down, and lovely pass down right center, and right up to the wing, cutting through in the center once again, and getting that opening. And a lovely run from the Bihar side, right from their own defense of 22 meters. And what a run! Look at that. Wonderful run by Bihar, all through right from the 22-meter line. Taking the ball across on the wide side and coming and cutting across from the inside, getting that gap and that run right across the field under the post. A lovely try. Bihar, another 5 points on the board to them, to 27. And Odisha yet to open the score. So the conversion going up to 29, a successful conversion. So Bihar leading way ahead. And coming back into center for a restart. You can see the confidence amongst the Bihar players. The continuity, ball possession, passing has been excellent. Recovery has been excellently well from all through the match that they have played. And now it is right with Orissa now, but a little mistake by Orissa, the loose ball on the ground. Bihar literally once again right down, kick from the center right into Orissa's defense. A kick from Orissa in the hands of against behalf for holding the ball for